Here comes number 7. My hands are getting tired. They're sore. What do I do? Here's the thing. Anytime you do something new, you're going to get sore, right? If you ride a bike for the first time in years, I'm guessing your backside is going to be a little sore from that seat because you're not used to it. I know I'm sure not anymore. And I used to ride my bike daily. Did a bike ride one time across Michigan in over 6 days with my dad. I was very comfortable on the bike, but guess what? I'm not anymore. And I have a cushion on top of my cushion for my bike seat. I still can't ride it for more than a mile or two. And if you lift weights, what do they tell you? Start off slow, let your body get used to it, and then go for it. Because otherwise, you might not feel it right away, but you're going to feel it. Balloons are very similar. If you have never tied a balloon before, or it's been a while, even after I came back to doing it after taking a couple years off, my fingers got extremely red and the skin started peeling because it wasn't used to that. Same thing if you play guitar. You have to build up those calluses on your fingertips so that your fingers won't hurt, they won't bleed, and you'll be fine. When you're getting into balloons, same thing. Take your time. Don't try to do 100 your first day. Do 10 or 15. Take a little break. See how your fingers and hands are feeling. Build up, keep building up, and eventually you won't have any worries. Your body will figure out ways of protecting itself so that your body's used to it. So I do some gigs where I'll twist straight for 12 hours. This is not good, but I won't take any breaks. I'm used to it. So I don't go to the bathroom during those times. I control what I eat, if I eat at all. I know how to maintain my sugars enough so that, I can keep going. And when I do need to, take a couple bites. But I can now go 12 hours, 2-3 days in a row without my hands getting tired. But I've had to build up to that. Because think about it, when you're twisting a balloon, okay, there's resistance. You have closed air in this bubble, closed air in this bubble, and when you try to put those together, it's just like a resistance band. There's pressure pushing against it. So your fingers, though it doesn't seem like much, it's going to add up. So here's my tip. Do some finger exercises, okay? Before I do a day of balloon twisting, I'll just do some dexterity exercises. Thumb to forefinger, keep going back and forth. That just kind of loosens up my fingers, okay? Again, some stretching. Just little motions here, okay? Maybe some motions with my arms to get some movement. If you have one of those little squeezy balls while you're watching TV, just do that. Some clay works real well too, some Play-Doh. Just stretch those hands a little bit, just a little bit of resistance, and it will strengthen the muscles and the tendons in your hands. Now, if it starts hurting, please stop. If you're noticing that they're getting sore, take a breather, take a break. But you'll notice that eventually it's kind of like any exercise, swimming, running, anything. You're eventually going to be able to go farther and farther without feeling it. And it's going to become natural. So work on those. It's going to help you in the long run. And it might be a day like, I don't have time to practice balloons today. Spend 5 minutes. Just grab some balloons, do some finger exercises, do those chain of pearls, maybe make a couple dogs. Just do something, spend 5 minutes. Keep those fingers loose. It'll feel good and help. Also, it helps to keep your hands nice and soft. So here's what I do every night. I have a cocoa Vaseline, cocoa balm Vaseline or whatever. And it gets cocoa butter. And it gets deep into my hands. It keeps them nice and soft. Every night I put some on before I go to bed. And it keeps them from getting dried, cracked, especially during the winter months when you already have problems with dry skin. dealing with the balloons that have, powder inside of them and it gets on the outside, it just sucks all that moisture. So by doing those simple things, you're going to notice a difference in how your hands feel. 1, practice. 2, just build up the dexterity, keeping your fingers loose. It helps. Some people like to crack their fingers, some people don't. You know who you are if you like to do it or not. But let your fingers just flow. Don't be stressed out going, I can't do this. Just let it flow. You'll feel the balloon and you'll notice that things flow better. So for those who are concerned about the hands getting sore, or how to maintain your hands, those are the things I would do. Little exercises daily, twisting when you can, and keeping good care of your hands. There's a lot of videos on YouTube for just hand exercises, hand strengthening, how to limber up your fingers. Watch a couple of those videos, and you'll find some exercises that work well for you. And maybe before you twist each day, just do 5 minutes of those. And I hope that helps and becomes no longer a concern, but something that makes a difference.